As always, I'm happy to welcome back my mom, Diane Hunter, to talk about those Callaways, which we love. And we go on about how trustworthy, but there's so many amazing things with them because they have like the incredible website, but they can really sell or help you buy a home. So they are the people to go to.
They absolutely are, and they have given us a wonderful home today. If someone's looking for a reasonably priced home in the central corridor, I think we have it for them.
All right, let's hear.
Yes, it's close to everything. And it's an expansive home, and it has lots of charm. It has a paver pathway and spacious front courtyard that is just a start. It's over 3,100 square feet of living area,
Nice.
4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and this home features a generous formal living room, dining room, and family room. And you'll love the vaulted ceilings and the skylights. It's really nice. It also has a bonus den that would make a perfect home office. Bright and beautiful, the kitchen has an eat-at bar and nice crisp white cabinets.
Oh, I love that.
You'll be able to relax in the master suite with a jetted soak tub. You can just picture yourself in that, right? Also, you'll love the incredible backyard with a sparkling pool, barbecue, and open air patios, and even a fire pit. So this home has a lot, and in this wonderful location, it's reasonably priced for only $650,000.
Wow, that is incredible.
It really is.
All right, well, people definitely need to give them a call.
This one's going to go fast.
Yeah, it is.